Welcome to our quick tutorial on how to archive fields in Harvest Profit. You may have fields that you were farming last year but aren't farming in the new season. So here, if you go to the field and land cost page, click the checkbox next to any given fields you want to archive, in this case, these two Anderson fields. Then click the Archive Fields button, and now those two fields will show up under your archived fields list. Now, you can have this field archived in 2025, but have it unarchived in 24, 23, or even in the future. Let's say you farm it again in 26 or 27, you can unarchive those fields and put back into your list of fields for your crop planner. If you have any questions on this, you can email us at support@harvestprofit.com or by clicking on the help button in the bottom right-hand corner, clicking on the ask tab, and your email will automatically be populated and you can send us a message directly from there. Thanks.